this or that? Why choose when you can have both? Cake push-ups for the guests, a mini smash cake for the birthday girl, because more cake is always the right choice. Let's make them. I started with a simple white box cake mix and made it just like the box says. Then I divided the batter into 3 bowls and added different amounts of blue food coloring to create a beautiful ombre effect. Once the colors were just right, I baked the batter in muffin tins. After they cooled, I used a round cookie cutter to cut perfect circles that fit into my push-up containers. Now for the fun part, layering. I started with the darkest blue at the bottom, then added a swirl of buttercream frosting, followed by the next shade of blue, and so on, finishing with the lightest blue on top. A final swirl of frosting, a sprinkle of winter snowflakes, and these frozen-themed cake push-ups were ready to go. But of course, I needed something special for my daughter to blow out her candles, so I took the same cake mix and baked it into 2 4-inch cake pans to make the perfect little smash cake. Once baked and cooled, I stacked the layers with blue buttercream frosting in between. Then I covered the whole cake in that same dreamy blue buttercream. Then I drizzled the cake drip around the edges first, letting it flow naturally down the sides for a smooth, icy effect, adjusting the drip length for a more natural, uneven finish. Then I flooded the top to tie the design together. To finish, I piped abstract snowflakes around the base for a frosty, wintry touch. And to make it extra magical, I found the cutest frozen-themed cake toppers on Amazon. Complete with snowflakes and icy blue and purple colors, I added a number 4 candle on top, and just like that, my daughter had her own personal birthday cake. So cake push-ups or mini smash cake? Which one would you pick? Let me know in the comments, but honestly, why choose? Just do both.